Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corrie V and today I'm going to be doing my annual Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. The Beautylish Lucky Bag is 98 Canadian dollars. You end up ordering an international version of the bag, so you can only get the one size. In the States, they order a few different variations. If you are Canadian, you can order two different versions of the regular international box. You can get the fair to medium, or you can get the deep to dark, so that you have some hope that the random products that you're going to get are going to work well on your complexion, hopefully. I paid 98 Canadian dollars plus another $19 in shipping, plus some duties and taxes, so it ended up costing me $121 for this bag of stuff. The theme for this year's lucky box is dawn or daybreak, symbolizing new beginnings after a challenging year, and the calligraphy is by Aoi Yamaguchi, so you can check her out. And that's what it looks like. So let's open up this lucky box and see if I'm gonna have an auspicious start to 2021. The first product in here is in a little Ziploc. Let's pull it out and take a look. Comes with a little spoolie, and as you can see, it just says breakout. So I guess it's for acne. It says, are you tired of the same calamine/alcohol spot treatments? So are we. That's why we made Breakout, the super simple, super effective paste for your bumps and breakouts. To use it, they say just use the applicator tip to apply a small amount of the spot treatment directly to the bump. Its main ingredient is zinc oxide, water, apple cider vinegar, peppermint oil, and it looks like it's manufactured by Rose Gold Cosmetics. I haven't heard of them. And it's made in the USA. This stuff retails for $17, and as a person who suffers from a lot of breakouts, especially on my chin right now, I'm not wearing foundation today. You can see I have some spots along my face, so I'll definitely give this a go and report back how I like it. If you'd like a further in-depth review of this thing, let me know, because I could definitely do something more serious. Alright, the next thing in the box is the Viseart Moisture Boost Lip Shine in Fleur, which is a rose shade, as you can see here. It's almost like a greigey rose shade. Again, this is made in the USA. It retails for 26 Canadian dollars. Let's give it a try here. Ooh! Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It smells like candy. Oh, and it's quite a thin formula. So that is what it looks like. I would throw it on today, but I've got glitter balm all over my lips, so I'll just swatch it on the back of my hand. But it looks like it would be a lovely everyday type of color. And I'm definitely going to have to try it out, see what I think. What does it smell like? It just smells like generic gumball gum that you would like get from a machine. Very interesting. Next in the box is this. This is the Holly Frog, haven't heard of that brand, Centipede Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash. I've tried one other powder wash, like face wash out on this channel. It was the Tatcha rice powder face cleansing thing, and I wasn't super crazy about it. Maybe we'll have to get this one a go now that I have more tips on how to use face powders. You get 2.5 ounces of product, or 71 grams, and it retails for 62 Canadian dollars. That is quite the price tag. It says, not all skincare require an elaborate response. This Centipede is a gentle nudge towards smoother, brighter, happy skin. It's supposed to be a travel-friendly container, but with a blend of gentle plant-based enzymes, powerful antioxidants, and cushiony hydrators to work effectively and gently fine-tune your complexion. And it's supposed to like polish your skin. Again, this stuff is made in the USA. Looks like Holly Frog is out of New York. And to use it, they say add a few drops of water to a pea-sized amount of the powder, emulsify to activate the formula. You can also sprinkle a pinch of this powder into any other cleanser for an exfoliating boost. Now there's an interesting idea. And it looks like the main ingredients here are bentonite and kaolin, which aren't those both forms of clay? A rice powder, bamboo powder, cornstarch, vitamin C, licorice, root powder, and it goes on and on. So very interesting. I will definitely give this a go. I really like the idea of mixing it into my other face cleansers because I actually have a lot of like liquid cleansers out and about right now. So we've got 2 skincare so far, 1 beauty, but they are both interesting skincare products to be fair. So I'll let it slide so far. What do we have next? Something from Natasha Denona. Never tried these before. These are her Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadows. And this is in the color Moonstone, which is described as a metallic champagne. This stuff is made in Italy. It retails for 32 Canadian dollars. And, oh, interesting little doe foot there. Let's give it a swatch. And as you might predict, it just seems like a very, almost like a gold more than a champagne, I would say. Very metallic looking liquid eyeshadow. It seems to be very metallic-y, not super sparkly. I feel like I'm always really hesitant to buy, but excited to explore liquid eyeshadows because, I mean, they're a little bit intimidating. All right, next up we have a makeup brush. This is from Sonia G. And this is her Pencil Pro brush. You can see it has a pencil tip there. Kind of nice, long, kind of tapered pencil. In my mind, I'm always complaining to myself that I don't have a good pencil for, especially like under the eye. So maybe this will change all that. My favorite type of brush to receive are like the big fluffy ones. But this looks like a really nice, interesting size for a pencil brush, like a very traditional pencil brush. Retails for $36, so again, one of the more expensive brushes in my collection. I have high expectations for this thing. It's made in Japan, and I believe these are goat bristles, if I'm not mistaken, which is also interesting because I've probably never tried a like high quality non-synthetic type of brush. I think that fills a nice gap in my makeup collection. This is heavy. It is the Good Molecule product that they always throw in the box. Good Molecules is Beautylish's house brand, and I've tried a few of their stuff. They added me to their PR list, which is super exciting, my first PR list, so I might be biased. But this is the Pineapple Exfoliating Powder, which seems a little weird that we would get 2 exfoliating powders in one box. But let's, it feels so heavy. Oh, interesting. It's like just feels like a glass bottle, and there's just, it's just full of powder in there. So I guess you just empty a bit out into your hand. Yep, looks completely sealed. So again, I'll have to try this one out. This one says, encourage gentle exfoliation with this cleansing powder containing bromelain, a mixture of enzymes naturally found in pineapples, which help remove keratin proteins from the skin's surface to reveal brighter and fresher skin. Oh, and it looks like it also has vitamin C. I think it's pretty much maybe a dupe of this product. This one you get 60 grams of product, so 10 grams less, but it only retails for 22 Canadian dollars, so it's a lot cheaper. I'm a little torn on receiving 2 exfoliating powders, but because I've never tried an exfoliating powder quite like this, I guess I'm intrigued. So maybe I can do a comparison of the high end and the dupe in a video. That might be an interesting video to watch. Let me know if you'd care to tune into that. And it feels like there's only one thing left in the bag. Oh my goodness. We have Charlotte Tilbury. I just decluttered a Charlotte Tilbury palette, but this one is the Starry Eyes to Hypnotize, which promises for hypnotic eye glow looks. So this palette is actually like limited edition, and it doesn't look like Beautylish sells it anymore, but it is still available from the Charlotte Tilbury website, and it retails for 95 Canadian dollars. So this is a big ticket item. Definitely nothing that I would have purchased for myself, and the packaging here is beautiful. I really don't think my camera is like doing it justice. So beautiful. And in the typical Charlotte Tilbury way, she's got a method for you to apply them if you care to, using her 1, 2, 3 system, where 1 is prime, 2 is enhance, and 3 is to smoke. Here are the colors. We have Happy Glow, Love Glow, Dream Glow, and Seduce Glow. So I will definitely have to give this a try. Looks like compared to the previous Charlotte Tilbury that I just decluttered, there's a few more mattes in there, and these green tones are actually pretty unique to my collection, so hopefully they're really nice. Let me get into that green. Ooh, oh my god, it's beautiful. It's like a very gold green. Okay, well those actually seem pretty lovely. Let's try the black. The black is more of a charcoal. It definitely looks like it might be very buildable. So again, maybe I should do a video just like trying her 1, 2, 3 technique as well. Maybe we could study that a little bit more intensely. Oh, that's exciting. And I love how like compact this palette is. The pans are not huge. It's almost like slightly reminiscent of the Naked palettes, the size and the shape. So very interesting. But I guess these 2 products alone are hella expensive, and this one product was pretty much the cost of the entire box if I was to buy this separately. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 7 products for the price of 1. If my calculations are correct, I got $290 worth of value from this $120 purchase, which is pretty exciting. That is about $170 worth of free stuff, depending on how you look at beauty boxes and I guess the gambling aspect of beauty boxes. But overall, I'm not disappointed. I think this is a pretty nice selection. There's nothing that I'm not 100% excited to try. I guess my only disappointment is the 2 exfoliating powders, but like I said, they're new, so I'm gonna keep optimistic. Gonna make it work out for me. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section and down below. Did you order a Beautylish box this year? Did you skip your usual box this year? Do you refuse to buy these Beautylish lucky bags? Let me know everything down below. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more beauty content from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Friday. A huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible, and of course a huge thanks to you for watching. And with that, I will see you all on Friday. Bye!